In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can upload your music on Audiomack. It's simple and easy. In this video, I'll be using Audiomack on desktop, but then you can do the same on a mobile phone too as well. It's simple and easy. So when you launch your Audiomack like this, you're going to see this sign here. On the mobile phone, you're just going to see the sign without the upload. This is a desktop version, so they have a space to, show the upload there. You tap on that here like this. So after tapping on that, it will redirect you to your browser if you're on a mobile phone, something like that, and it will open a page like this for you. So on the browser too, this is how it's going to look like. So you tap on this if you are trying to upload a song, a single song, or let's say it's an EP or an album. It takes me to this page. So here I'll need to drag and drop my file I want to upload as my music. So I come to my downloads here, and I have this for tutorial, and I'm going to upload that here. So I'm submitting that, and then they have some file types. They have WAV. When you record yourself on a mobile phone is WAV. Okay, so I think the format is gone, but the MP3 WAV and the rest, you can do that. So now you need to give some information about the music you're trying to upload. You get it? So you need to upload some artwork. So now let me come here. I have a sample image here. Let me use this sample image, something like this. And then the artist name, let me do it like this, and the song title, let me do WebGL. And if you are featuring someone on there, let's say I'm featuring Gingerman. Yeah, explicit means if you have profane words. So if it's explicit, yes. If it's clean, no profane words, you can choose clean. You get it? Yeah, it's very much important for you to choose it. So this is clean. It's not a music button. If your music was produced by someone, you can, give them some credit. So let's say it was produced by Skeng. It was produced by Skeng. Okay, so now let's scroll down here, and then the genre, let's select a genre for this. So I'm a piano, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so let's say it's a Caribbean type of music. Good. So subgenres, you can add other subgenres to, let's say, dancehall. And let's give it a dancehall. Let's give it a mood. So let's say it's a motivational something. We need to select at least two. It's just this thing. So let me also select trap dancehall as well. So here you need to select two subgenres. You get it? So after that, we tap on next here. So on this page, you add the caption. So we can add blah, blah, blah. From here is a trap dance or blah blah blah, this kind of stuff, and you don't need to enter anything here. I think it's not really necessary. So we tap on the next here, and then we can make it public, our release. So here is the release, so you can make it public, or you can schedule a premiere access. You get it? So let's say you be like, oh, I'm trying to release this music on Friday, so you schedule it, something like that. I'm going to give you a calendar. You get it? And let's say today is Wednesday, so I'm going to release it on Friday, and I'll add some sort of time to it. I'm going to do that. But if you want instant release, you can just choose the public there, and then you finish it. You get it. This is your URL. So after this, after that, you can share this URL to people, and they can, get access to your song immediately. So once you are done, you can share your music to people. You can share it on Twitter or X. You can share it on Facebook, and you can copy the link. This is your link to your music. You can copy it. You get it? And also you can submit it to trending playlists, so they can add it to playlists. So when people are listening to music, they get to listen to your music, and if they like the song, they become a fan. So that's it. You can view your song here too as well. Let me tap on that to show you guys. It's very much simple and easy. You can see there's a song. When I tap on it, it's going to start playing. So that's it on how you can upload a song on Audiomack. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on Audiomack, so you can check them out on my channel. That's it for the video once again. Peace.